So, good morning, everyone. My name is Deepika, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Engineering, CSE IoT Department. As we have seen all the four pillars of IoT, now we are going to see about the layers of architecture of IoT. This is the block diagram of IoT. Nine, I mean, have a layers. In this, it consists of nine layers. Whereas first we just see the layers. Basically, we have an application layer, network layer, and a sensor layer. These are the main basic layers of internet protocols. And elaborately, we can see the nine layers of IoT architecture. First, then coming to the devices. First is the devices. Next is the connectivity, data collection, communication, device management, data roles, administration, application, and integration. In the previous session, we have seen gone through the devices, connectivity, data collection, communication, device management, and the data roles. So in this, as we seen, apart from the four pillars of IoT, DCM is also most widely important. That is DCM, device connect and manage. First, connect the device, take a device, connect it, and start managing it. It's this is the way that we device. What we do with device is things that talk. Inherit intelligently means inbuilt intelligently. Inherit. What is a device? Device nothing but we can take it an example as a washing machine, a ventilation, air conditioner, HVAC controllers enabled. These are the machines. In these machines, we are going to connect it and we know the controlling how to manage it. So enabled means need to be made intelligent RFID tagged devices. In this device, things that talk. So what you mean by things that talk is nothing but perform input function அப்படின்னு என்னன்னா like device that responds to a physical stimulus, measures the physical stimulus quality and convert into a signal, usually electrical, which can be read and observed by an instrument. As we all know, first a device is there, it is get connected. So a automation is there, the automation is being connected with an network, and then it starts working. A device that responds to a physical stimulus, measures and convert it into signal. Then it converts into a signal or transforms it to any information in usually electrical, which can read and observe or an instrument. It is also called as detector. A sensor is basically an electrical device. It can be an M2M terminal, an RFID reader, SCTA meter. The machine to machine or a signal to signal things whatever we use is like it must not be any ranges, or it may be in the form of machine to machine, or it may be in the form of signals, or it may be in the form of supervisory sensing machines. Okay. So in this device, things that talk, sensors, perform input function, device that responds to a physical stimulus, measures and any physical quality and converts it into a signal, usually electrical, which can read by an observer or by an instrument. So in this, it performs an output function, RFID tagged devices. So these are the examples. You can see one of the sensor are available. Pendulum resistive tilt sensor. This is a pendulum. This is a gas sensor. Bioelectric detector sensor. IR sensor. Limit switch. Ginger Miller radiation sensor. Palazzo blend sensor. SEDS sensor. Accelerometer, UV detector, gyno, metal detector, IR pin diode, IR reflection sensor, touch switch, digital infrared ranging, MEMS sensor, amplifier, half effect magnetic field sensor. These are the sensors that mostly available to view various in used in various fields. Compass, solar cell, piezo electrosonic transducer, compass, IR modulators. These are the example of sensors. Sensor type with an example: position, angle, sensor type, displacement, distance, speed, acceleration. Position sensor, you can see the barometer. Pressure, na, it measures a barometer. Boost gauge, pressure sensor, acoustic sound, vibration, geophone, hydrophone, sensor, microphone. Automotive transportation, air fuel, radiometer, engine, coolant, temperature, sensor parking and sensor. Sensor type and example. sensor time an example. We have environment, weather, moisture, humidity. These are the types of sensor. Whatever the sensor we have read, these are the examples. I'll show you slide. You can see the examples. Okay, these are all of the four pillars and the device connect and manage. Okay, the next section I'll give you with a new topic. And thank you. If you have any doubts, just ping me in YouTube so that I'll clear your doubts. Thank you.